I can see this woman in her mirror, and she's actually laughing. She finds it funny putting herself and her passengers at risk.
It's a red light, idiot.
They've been going through over the last few years.
What is your motivation? You spoke about Maxi Lopez, and while he wants to be involved because he loves football, what's your motivation in getting involved with a football club?
It's actually, what I just said earlier. It's fans for the community. This city deserves more than one team, and we want to be back. When I was a director with Karen and David, and giving them something to be proud of. And I can be proud of as well. Because of your experience being involved with the club previously, you know what comes your way. It's a slightly different way of operating now when you're a director, or an owner of a football club. You're open to all sorts of criticism. Social media has certainly kicked on since those days with Karen.
Swerving around behind me.
Are you prepared for what comes?
Don't think I've seen anyone park on the M25 before. Definitely make this guy nervous. There is a time and a place to do your paperwork. The M25, isn't it? This car here wants to come off this junction. Was it really worth it?
I don't even think the Glazers will sell. Yeah. Oh look, this guy just...
Yeah, do it, man. Yeah. It's like a free pass through.
Or even bothered about the fan unrest. Some of these owners, living in America, not bothered, are they? They're not seeing it. I think they're...
traffic, you go over the lines to overtake.
How many wing mirrors do you think this guy takes off in a week?
At Chelsea last Sunday, Christian Romero is injured and should be suspended. Ryan Sessegnon has lost his place to Ivan Perisic at left.
Net sign.
Spurs go with Lloris in goal. Back three of Sanchez, Dyer and Davis. Midfield.
Easily add our fan favourite football selections to your bets. In terms and conditions apply, see support.betfair.com. 18 plus for
You going or not?
Hello, it's Andy Goldston here of Drive Time. It's always great when we
Fuck's
Liverpool.
sake.
There's obviously
Could
loads
you
to
go
choose
any
from,
slower?
but I'm gonna go
That's now a red light that you've just gone through.
Old Trafford between the two sides. From the
You're supposed to go through here and then turn.
year, there were moments you could look
Always
back
an
and
Audi.
just think, wow, that treble was
Any reason to just cut straight across me? And then you do that anyway. That's your side. That's your side over that side. Yeah, turn the steering wheel. That's how it works.
Jurgen Klopp, of course it's good. Why is Shat being asked about it? Because everything becomes the government's problem, isn't it? No, I think
Round, idiot.
Always an OD.
Come join the fun for free. Only at Tombola. Players must be over 18. SMS
Let's
option
see how many of
required.
these are
Terms
just
apply. Please
sneaking
play
in.
safely.
Count the German cars. Count the German cars. Count the German cars. Count the German cars.
team sport track near you.
Sunshine and a gentle breeze.
Sports Sports Update with Lucas. Buy or sell your vehicle the simple way. Visit lucas.co.uk.
Good morning, I'm Steve Forbes. Tyson Fury's promoter Bob Arum has had his say on who will win tomorrow's world heavyweight title clash between Alexander Usyk and Anthony Joshua.
The heavyweights, so anything can happen in a heavyweight.
Tonight, again towards the Russell Wolverhampton. I'm Russell Holding.
Streaming exclusively on Disney Plus.
Let's do this.
Say hello to the newest member of the Hulk family.
I'm Jennifer Walters. I'm a lawyer who happens to be a Hulk.
Marvel Studios' new original.
Now you must be able to see that indicator, surely. Surely you must be able to see that indicator. I know you're an Audi, but seriously, you cannot see that indicator. And you've pulled right up behind it. It's just lucky. Lucky. Unbelievably stupid though. Lucky but stupid.
He'd had a number of affairs, and detectives believed that he felt that if he was caught out having another one, he feared his partner would end their relationship, which he was quite happy with. This wasn't a chance he wished to take, which is why he chose to kill Paula. Paula's husband was released from custody and cleared of any involvement in the crime, whilst Roger Kearney was charged with murder and faced trial. He denied murdering
Why
Paula.
would you be that close to a
Defending
van?
Nigel Pascoe,
Why?
QC, said that Paula's husband Richard had more of a motive to kill her.
Just pull out.
He said he was not
What's an
accusing her
idiot?
of the crime, but told the jury at Winchester Crown Court